and then click OK. And you get that design. Go to the Layers panel and click the plus at the bottom. With that, you've got a new layer. Then go over here and select the Rectangular Marquee tool. Click and drag down, create a very thin selection. Then go to the Gradient tool. Go up here and select Classic Gradient. Just go with one of the legacy gradients. I'm just going to go with black to white and linear, and click and drag. Hold down the shift so it's straight across. I'm going to go with that, black to white. Then go to Edit and then down to Define Pattern and click OK. Go to a completely fresh document. Then go to Patterns. Go down here and you can see you've got your pattern preset you've just created. Simply drag and then you've got this design, and you can modify these. Go to the Patterns panel. You can find that in the Window menu and Patterns. Then just go down to the bottom and click and drag. And now you've got this. You can also modify it. So just go over here to Layers, double click here, and then you can modify the scale. I'm just going to go for 20. And then you've got really thin lines, or maybe decide 50. Slightly less, and click OK. Then you can go to Layer and Flatten Image. Once you've done that, go to Filter, and you can use any of the distort filters, or maybe go with Liquify. So Liquify, just go with this one, which is the Forward Warp tool. Set the size and then drag. And you can drag in different directions. Avoid dragging inwards. Try drag outwards and then click OK. And you get that design. What you can then do is go to Filter and then apply it again, Liquify. And you can repeat it multiple times to create all kinds of unique designs. And of course you can then go to Filter and Liquify and modify that distortion. Another option, Filter and then down to Distort and then Wave. In Wave you can set number of generators to 1, set the wavelength and amplitude, and then you can also randomize. Just click here and then click OK and get designs like this. Hope you found this of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Bye.